How to instantly transfer Printify to Etsy. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be taught how to transfer Printify to Etsy. This tutorial is going to be an educative one, and I would advise that you watch till the end. So the first thing to do is to log on to your account on Printify with your PC. Then once you've ensured that you've logged in, at the left side of the screen where we have options like dashboard and catalog, my products and all, just under wallet we have store settings. Then you click on store settings. After clicking on store settings, a screen will be displayed where we have options like store name, ship from address, other settings, Printify Connect. Click on Printify Connect. After clicking on Printify Connect, transfer your Printify just to your Etsy. After doing this, after clicking on this particular option, after clicking on it, you'll be able to use your Etsy just like you use your Printify. Anything you upload on your Printify will automatically be displayed on Etsy. So it's that simple. You can try it out. So this is how to instantly transfer Printify to Etsy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.